Good morning, students. Now we know about speed, slow and fast speed or motion, and calculating speed by putting the value of distance traveled and time taken. Now today we will practice some numericals by doing classwork. Let's start. Our first problem is a man riding a scooter travels a distance of 50 meters in 20 seconds. What is the speed of the scooter? Here is given distance 50 meter and time taken is 20 seconds. Okay. We know the formula of speed. It is speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Here distance traveled is 50 meter and time taken is 20 seconds. So by putting the value of these, we get speed is equal to 50 by 20 means 50 meter by 20 second. Calculate this and you will find it is 2.5 meter per second. So the speed of this scooter is 2.5 meter per second. This is a simple numerical. Distance is given and time is given. Speed you have to calculate. So just put the value of distance and time. Here 50 is distance 50 meter and time is 20 second. So put the value 50 by 20 is equal to 2.5 meter per second. Hope you understood. Should I proceed? Okay. Let's do this numerical. Problem is the train A traveled a distance of 120 km in 3 hours, whereas another train B, covers or traveled a distance of 180 km in 4 hours. Which train traveled faster? Train A in 3 hours it travels 120 km and train B in 4 hours 180 km. So first of all we should know these trains traveled how much distance in 1 hour. So then we will find who is the faster one. So come to the first train A. Our formula is speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Here in case of train A, distance traveled is 120 and time 3 hours. So 3 hours and 120 km. So the speed is distance by time, distance 120 and time 3 is equal to 40 km per hour. Means train A travels 40 km in 1 hour. Now come to train B. Same formula is the same. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance travelled by train B 180 km and time taken by B 4 hours. 180 km in 4 hours. So the speed is distance by time. Distance 180 time 4. Calculate this and you will find it is 45 km per hour. Train B is travelling 45 km in 1 hour and train A is travelling 40 km in 1 hour. So who has covered more distance? It is train B. So, from the above calculation, we find that train A travels a distance of 40 km in 1 hour, whereas train B travels a distance of 45 km in 1 hour. It is obvious that train B traveled faster than the travel A. Any problem? Problem 3. Salma takes 15 minutes from her house to reach her school on a bicycle. If the bicycle has a speed of 2 meters per second, calculate the distance between the house and the school. In this problem, speed is given in meter per second, meter and second, and the time is given in minute, 15 minutes. So before putting the formula for speed, we will just convert time from minute to second. Minute to second by multiplying minute by 60, because 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 15 minutes is equal to 15 into 60 means 900 seconds. 15 minutes is equal to 900 seconds. Now putting this value of speed and time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Our speed is 2 meters per second. So we put 2 on the place of speed and time taken 900. Distance we have to find. So distance is equal to speed into time. So our speed is 2 into 900. 2 speed and time is 900. Distance we have to find. Distance is equal to 2 into 900 is equal to 1800 meter. So the distance between Salma's house and school is 1800 meter. Try to understand and watch 2-3 times, then it will be clear all the numericals. Next question is, a car moves with a speed of 40 km per hour for 15 minutes and then with a speed of 60 km per hour for next 15 minutes. The car total distance of covered by the car is how much? 100 km, 25 km, 15 km and 10 km. So here you see both the time is same, 15 minutes and 15 minutes. But in the first half it is 40 km speed. Speed is 40 km per hour, first 15 minutes, and second 15 minute distance speed is 60 km per hour. So we have to find out the total distance. Okay. In the first case, speed of a car is 40 km per hour. And in the second case, speed of the car is 60 km per hour. But the time is same, 15 minutes. But we have to change 15 minutes into hour, because we have to find out in hour. 15 minutes means 1/4 of the 1 hour. So first we change. Time is equal to 15 divided by 60. We are changing minute into hour. So it will be divided by 1 by 60. 15 minute is divided by 60 is equal to 15 by 16 is equal to 1 by 4 or 0.25 hour. All three are same. You can put any one of them. 15 by 16, 60 or 1 by 4 or 0.25. Answer will be same. So our time is 15 by 60. Okay. Or here we have put 0.25. So distance is equal to speed into time. Our speed in first 15 minutes is 40. So 40 into 0.25 kilometer. Answer is 10 kilometer. And the second case, second 15 minute, speed into time is equal to speed is 60, time is same, 0.25 is equal to 15 kilometer. So in the first case, the car traveled 10 kilometer and the second 15 minutes it traveled 15 kilometer. So total distance traveled is 10 plus 15 is equal to 25 kilometer. So the total distance traveled by the car is 25 kilometer. So our answer is B, 25 kilometer. Understood? Next question is, an odometer of a car reads 57321 kilometer. Reading is 57321 in odometer. And the clock shows time 8:30 am. What is the distance moved by the car if at 8:50 am the odometer reading had changed to 57336.0 kilometer? So the time is what? First time is 8:30, second time is 8:50 am. It means time is 20 minutes. 8.50 minus 8.30 is equal to 20 minutes. Time we have calculated 20 minutes. Speed. Calculate the speed of the car in kilometer per minute and also in kilometer per hour. We have to calculate two times. One in kilometer per minute and second time kilometer per hour. Okay. Solution. We will first calculate the distance moved by the car. Initial reading is 57321. Final reading 57336. Means 36 minus 21 is equal to 15. Distance traveled 15 kilometer. Okay. The distance moved by car is 15 kilometer. Distance we got it. And timing is 20 minutes. That also we got it. We will now find the time taken by the car to travel this distance. I have already told the time taken will be given by the difference in two clocks reading. So the time taken by the car is from 8:30 to 8:50, which is 20 minutes or 20 minute. Okay. Now put the values. Speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Our distance is 15 kilometer. Time is 20 minute. So the answer is 3 by 4 kilometer per minute is equal to 0.75 kilometer per minute by calculating. So the speed of the car is 0.75 kilometer per minute. One thing, one answer we got it. Second, we have to express in kilometer per hour. Okay. Sorry. Now, in order to express the speed in kilometer per hour, first you have to change 20 minutes into hour. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hour. So 20 minutes is equal to 20 by 60 hour. 20 by 60 is equal to 1 by 3 hour. So our time is 1 by 3 and our distance is 15 kilometer. So speed will be distance by time. Distance is 15 and time is 1 by 3. So 3 will be go up and it becomes 15 into 3 by 1 is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. So the speed of car is 45 kilometer per hour and 0.75 kilometer per minute. Both the answers are same, but one is in, both are in kilometer, but one and here it is in minute and at last it is in hour. That is the difference. So we got the both the answers. One next question. It is not clear, but falcon is a bird which flies with a maximum speed of 320 km per hour. Calculate the speed in meter per second. Given in kilometer per hour, we have to find out meter per second. Means change kilometer into meter and hour into second. Okay. In this problem, we have to given the speed of falcon in the unit of kilometer per hour and we have to convert it into the unit of meter per second. I told earlier. In order to do this, we have to remember 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. You remember? In the first day of the motion chapter, I told you 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 320 kilometer is equal to 320 into 1000 meter. Similarly, 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. This is because 1 hour has 60 minutes and each minute has 60 seconds. So to convert the speed of 320 km per hour into meter per second, we have to multiply this meter by 1000 and divide it by 60 into 60. So speed is equal to distance by time taken. Our distance is 320 into 1000 and our time is 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60. So we put 60 into 60 in place of time taken. Now calculate this and you will find 88.8 meter per second. Thus the speed of 320 km per hour is equal to 88.8 meter per second. Hope you understood this. Any problem? You just learned, listen, watch and try to understand. Not very difficult but not very easy also. Next question is eye sphincter. It is also not very clear. Eye sphincter means fast runner in athletes attain a maximum speed of 10 meter per second. Speed is 10 meter per second. What will be the speed in kilometer per hour? Just opposite of the above solution. where we change kilometer per hour into meter per second. Here we have to change meter per second into kilometer per hour. Okay. Here the speed has been given to us in unit of meter per second, and we have to convert into kilometer per hour. In order to do this, we have to convert 10 meter into kilometer. 10 meter into kilometer. Okay. So we have to divide it by 1000, because there is a difference between meter and kilometer is 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 10 meter is equal to 1 by 1000. Okay. And second into hour. Okay. So there are 60 into 60 seconds in 1 hour. Yes, we know. We have to also to multiply 10 by 60 into 60. Thus, we can convert the speed of 10 meter per second into kilometer per hour by dividing the speed of 10, because our speed is 10 meter per second. Okay. Speed is equal to 10 meter per second. 10 meter is equal to 10 by 1000. And second, 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 into 60 hour. So in this case, 10 divided by 1000, 1000 goes down, and time is 1 by 60 into 60. 1 is in the lower part and 60 into 60 goes up. So now it will show as 10 into 60 into 60 divided by 1000, and it will, when you calculate this, you will find it is 36 kilometer. So our answer is 10 meter per second is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. This is all for today, I think so. Yes. Remember, try to watch 2-3 times and try to calculate and practice by more equations, more questions, sorry, not equation, by attempting more numericals, and do this. Thank you.